Welcome bosses. In this video, we'll show you how to integrate YouTube into your page. Currently your page looks like this, but video is a very powerful selling tool. So we strongly suggest you put a video into your page. You go into integrations, you'll see here YouTube section. And what you want to do is you want to put in the video ID. That's the last set of numbers that you'll see at the end of a YouTube video. Here's an example of a nice business video. It's the link that's in the end of your URL after the equal sign. And you can also see it here in the share link button. The C, everything from the Z, C, Y, that whole section over there. So you want to copy and paste that into over here. Click Save. Integration was successfully updated. So now when you view your page, you will see we have this awesome video. All right, that's how you integrate the YouTube video into your page.